Hi, this is Eve coming to you with a crafty video this time. So I sewed some tapestry onto this rectangular piece of felt, and note the way it was sewn, okay? The rectangular piece, it's about 38 by 15 centimeters, and the piece of tapestry about 12 by 15 centimeters. Then I wanted to add some strips of the same tapestry to the edge of the red felt, okay, to finish the edges in that way. So I decided to practice folding this piece of tapestry, so trying to understand how I want to cover the edges of this felt. So I'm going to go with this piece of tapestry. I intend to fold to the center, iron to the center of it, fold the sides and iron both sides of it in order to envelop the edges of the red felt material. Here it is all anchored down with some paper clips or the other sewing clips that you may have. And remember to 1 centimeter to one edge and 1 centimeter 3 millimeters to the other edge. And here we're sewing along, and I'm going to sew all the way along. So on the shorter side that was folded in order to catch the material at the bottom, okay, because remember it's folded. So fold it on one side 1 centimeter, fold it on the other side 1 centimeter 3 millimeters, but you want to sew from the shorter side. So I'm sewing like 5 millimeters from the edge of the shorter folded side. Okay, so we sew all the way up to this little small strap. Then you want to do the same thing on the other side, and then you end up with this small pocket here. And then you try to mold it into the shapes that you prefer. I decided to fold it in this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand stitch here with a strong thread, strong black thread, right both sides. Okay, so you measure and you proceed. You can even stitch if you have an industrial sewing machine instead of hand stitching, but I'm going to hand stitch it, and the stitches are going to be well hidden. Before you hand stitch, you really want to, because it's there is a lot of bulk now, you really want to anchor it down. So there I pick up a little bit of material from one side and the other side, like 5 millimeters from the edge on both sides, and I continue going right along. So now both edges are sewn and you don't see the stitches. Okay, the pocket is created. Then I decided to sort of take these straps and put them into, make an X shape, and sort of anchor them rather in the middle, and put a white loop. Okay, and here is the result. It's a felt holder. Okay, it can hold anything. So this is Eve signing off now. Till the next video. Have a great day.